Welcome to Football Brisbane's continuing coverage of the FC11 Super Youth League. We're at CJ Greenfield Reserve for the Under-12s Round 5 clash between Brisbane Force and Mogill FC. The Force side have been thrown together with just 6 weeks preparation. However, signs are good that the team is coming together. For Moggill, 9 of the 16 players have been together since under-8. They have 2 underage players, Mitchell Colasso, and one to look out for, Jack Kelly. Cross in from Deo. Cleared by Mogill. Good attempt by Meyer. An Elephant shot goes wide. To Deo again. It's an out for Cooper Freeman. That's straight to Cameron Neal. Mogill put the ball forward. Well, that's a nice header from Jack Kelly. Creates space for himself. Look at the pace from Jack Kelly. Crossing infield. Here's the shot. Good save from Jack White. Mogill again, putting the ball forward for Jack Kelly to run onto. Yes, he's got this one. Another touch. Another touch. Here comes the shot. Saved. Good work by Tristan Calderon. Contested ball. Kovacevic. Out wide. Tyler Andrews. Takes another touch. He scored! Tyler Andrews! Well, he made the shot as more difficult than it should have. He could have taken the shot there, but he takes another touch and lobs it over the top of Jack White. Mogill 1-0. Cody Meyer loses possession. Mogill come forward again. Looking for Kelly. He's got the shot. Oh, off the post. Jack Kelly's having a field day. He's got everyone beat. He could have beaten Jack White. He used to play for Mogill. Here come Mogill again. Kovacevic. Tyler Andrews scores again. It's 2-0. Well, Mogill got the ball forward through sheer will. The ball breaks for Tyler Andrews, who very coolly slots the ball home. Here's Kovacevic. Someone's come to him now. Oh, he has a shot. Oh, what? Wasn't that audacious? From outside the box. And Jack White just gets a touch, knocks it onto the top of the bar. Cleared by Lopez. McDonald with the ball in. Kelly. Good save from Jack White. Well, Mogill take a 2-0 lead into the second half, and they're looking pretty good, it has to be said. Ball comes forward again, out to the right. It's forward, Force have to get back, and they're there in numbers. It's 4-on-4. Jack Kelly, blocked. Jack Kelly finally gets his reward. The Force just didn't deal with that properly, and it falls straight to Jack Kelly, who puts it away. But after today's effort, you'd have to say he deserves that. Mogill free kick. And Cameron Kilpatrick helps himself. There's Mogill's fourth. And isn't he happy about that? Free kick comes in. Force don't get any defenders near the ball at all. Cameron Kilpatrick, right place, right time. Header, goal. Here's Kilpatrick again. With another chance. Is that a penalty? No. There's the shot. Off the post. It's intercepted. Oh, crunching tackle. Tristan Calderon and Tyler Andrews have it coming together. Looking at the size of those two, Tristan Calderon was only ever going to be the winner. Andrews looks like he's okay though. Harry Hunter. Ball inside. There's full time. Brisbane Force 0. Moggill FC 4. We move now to the second game. And it's the under-13s where Brisbane Force take on Wolves FC. Brisbane Force are the form team in this competition with 3 straight wins. Wolves are integrating half a team of new faces, but are now starting to get results with 2 straight wins. Turned over. Here's Callum Warden. Takes on Riley Martin. Gets past him. Puts in the shot. That's across the face of goal. Ethan Booth goes in hard, but the deflection comes Force's way. Here's Gun Kim. Puts it out for Lewin Smart. He's forced out wide. That's goal kick. Here's Wolves with a chance. Ball lumped forward. Elijah Hardwick comes out. Should get... Whoa! Didn't quite get it right the first time. He did the second. Ball in. CJ Stevenson. Here comes the cross. Nathan Payne doesn't get there. But manages to keep the ball in. Crosses in again. Stevenson! Gun Kim puts it away. And Force take the early lead. Well, the cross comes in. Wolves don't clear with it adequately. CJ Stevenson puts in the shot, smashes it into Michael Parker. And Gun Kim, Johnny on the spot, puts it away. Not dealt with adequately by Force. Here's Dariush Noe. Oh, that looked good for a long time. Wolves throw. Here's Paris. Knocked over. Free kick given. Jamie Laurenti standing over this. Oh, and he scored! Jamie Laurenti ties things up right on half-time. And as we have a look at it again, he hasn't put his laces through it. He's placed it in just the right spot. In the shadows of half-time, it's 1-1. Thomas Walker puts the ball in. Doesn't get over the top of it. Wolves with another ball in. Elijah Hardwick deals with that. Looks to play on quickly. Wolves get it back, who lump it forward. Force are in trouble here. Harry Demos. Oh, he scored. Wolves take the lead. Well, from the high ball, Harry Demos finds himself in the right spot. Nicholas Meek tries his best. Can't quite get there. And Harry Demos with a lovely touch puts Wolves in front. This is Lewin Smart. Good attempt. Good save, Ryan Govan. Here it comes, Rodriguez. Out wide, finds Lewin Smart. Oh, it's fouled. Is that a penalty? Not given. Not given. Look at this again on the replay. Well, that's a penalty for mine. Wolves have dodged a bullet there. Here's Nahui. The register. Nahui again. Good body work. Tenacious. Puts in the shot. No trouble for Hardwick. And that's full time. Wolves, a big result here. Brisbane Force 1, Wolves FC 2.